Congratulations on purchasing the Allsop Laser Lens Cleaner. Now we'll test system purity. This test, sometimes referred to as a noise floor or a digital black test, is designed to pinpoint noises which may be coming through your speakers and diminishing the quality of your music. In a moment, there will be a gap of pure silence. Listen to each speaker carefully. If you hear any noise whatsoever, we'll help you isolate the cause. Afterwards, turn on your CD player and return to track 6. Here's 10 seconds of pure silence starting now. Did you hear static, buzzing, hissing, or any mechanical sound? If not, go to track 7. If you did hear extra noise, turn off your CD player and listen closely to first one speaker, then the other. Now we're about to do a sound burn-in test. This test is the same one used by huge concert halls and high-end sound system engineers to achieve the maximum fidelity from speaker systems. The following pink noise, an interval of static-like sound, will tax all levels of your system at once. In doing so, it burns in speakers and all your equipment to equalize your system. Be sure your sound level is set at normal listening levels now. You will now hear 10 seconds of pink noise. The following sweep test will challenge each speaker's individual woofer, tweeter, and mid-range components so that you can be sure all are working properly. First, adjust the bass, treble, and mid-range controls on your amplifier to the same midway point. If you have a graphic equalizer, make sure all levels are set at the center position, that is, plus or minus 0. In a moment, we will play a special series of test tones, going from highest to lowest ranges. Ideally, your speakers should play the entire test sweep with all tones sounding equally strong.
I'm in the shower now. Are you there? Is he there?
Again, from highest audio ranges to lowest. If you experience cutting out or peaking at any point, adjust your tone controls in those areas where you heard tone deficiencies and return to track 8 to hear this sweep test again. Get ready for the dynamic impact test, where we'll really put your audio system through its paces to show you what it can do. Dynamic impact relates to how quickly a speaker starts and stops moving when impacted by abrupt, dynamic shifts in music. The more responsive the action, the better the overall brightness and clarity. Slower response is characterized by muddy or boomy sound. Listen especially for the lower notes to really push your woofer, and the powerful high notes to give your tweeter a real workout. Now sit back and listen to what your sound system can do when everything is as it should be. Your laser lens is clean, sound imaging is correct, no external noise such as CD rumble is creeping into your speakers. The entire spectrum of sound from your system is at equal levels, and your speakers are in phase with all components performing properly. This concludes the Allsop Stereo Performance Maximizer tests. You know you did it right, because Allsop is known the world over for product ingenuity and effectiveness. Trust Allsop for an array of patented, state-of-the-art care products, including audio, video cassette, and compact disc cleaners, overall maintenance products, and storage systems.